you there is trouble. It's hard to confide. You move my world right.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video, I am bringing you guys another Clean With Me video. So we have lots to get done today. I want to go out on the patio. We need to tidy up the entire house. We need to sweep. We need to mop. So we need to do all the things today to get everything checked off our to-do list. So if you have a to-do list, let's go ahead and tackle it together.
Gotta stay loose when next to you, for sure, or else you get bruised. There's no...
The first thing I did today was make the bed. There's something about always setting that tone with making your bed to motivate you just to keep going and to get more things done off of your to-do list. So I just tidied up the bedroom. I did water my plant. That's one thing I want to work on today, is watering all the plants. And then also I'm going to go ahead and tidy up the bathroom. Not a deep clean whatsoever, but I wanted to tidy up this space because it gets pretty messy in the morning when we are getting dressed and in a hurry. So just wanted to clean it up a little bit. And now we're going to head out on the patio. And so for the patio today, I just want to wipe some things down, wipe the windowsills, and then also wipe down the chairs and then that small table in the middle. And then I did want to do a little bit of rearranging as well, just to make it look a little bit more cozy out here. The main thing I need to do this summer is I do need to purchase some new furniture, and then I just want, like, I like the two chairs. However, I would love like some type of couch or maybe like a large egg chair, something a little bit more cozy when I'm out here, because I want to spend a lot of time in the evenings or at night, just because we are on the second level now. So I feel like the mosquitoes and the bugs are not going to be as bad this summer as they were when we were on the first level last year. So I'm just excited for all of those vibes, and hopefully I will do like a patio makeover maybe midsummer or something like that. But I am excited to decorate this space. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and clean it up.
I'm not gonna play nice. I'll be the witch you tell your friends about. I'm the crazy ex-girl you pretend you don't know, 'cause you know I could ruin your life. Rumor has it you have someone new. She'll regret you like a bad tattoo, 'cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon, I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a...
So now that we're in the living room, I just wanted to water most of my plants in here, and then I want to do a little bit of dusting. As you see, I dusted the entertainment center, and then we're also going to go ahead and sweep and mop in here a little bit later, but it's not too much in here. Just needed to tidy up a few things, put things back in place, and then like I said, we're going to go ahead and sweep this area, and then we'll come back and mop a little bit later. So now we are in Eleni's room. At first, I was just going to make up her bed, but I just noticed several stains on her comforter. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw that in the wash. And I just wanted to tidy up a few things in here. She had a few friends over the night before, and so I just wanted to clean it up. Sometimes I'll make them clean it up, but most of the time, honestly, I'll just let it be how it is, and then I'll come back a little bit later and just tidy up the the space. I just love that, you know, all of her friends sort of gravitate to our place. Sometimes it can be a lot, but for the most part, I love that, you know, our home feels very welcoming to her friends in the neighborhood.
A little bit too much. I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out.
So we're going to go ahead and throw her comforter in the wash. And then I also grabbed a few towels as well. Sometimes when I'm throwing like a small load in, I'll grab a few towels and things to throw in there as well. But next we're going to go ahead and straighten this laundry room. For some reason it's sort of become like a catch-all space for us, but I just wanted to put the clothes back, wipe it down. The washing machine had like a stain on top of it, but I'm going to go ahead and wipe the washer and the dryer down, and then we're going to sweep and mop in here as well.
I can't spend another second with my brain. Gotta get up and get out, but there's a problem. Every time I go outside, I see your face. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side. All day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright. We gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, still missing you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, still missing you.
So I want to give you guys an update on the next video. We're going to be doing a lot of things within the house. So if you need some inspiration or motivation for some home projects, definitely renter friendly, because of course we live in an apartment. But I'm going to be doing quite a few things. I have some painting I need to do. I have some organizing. I really want to organize the fridge and the freezer along with the pantry. The pantry is sort of back to square one, so I need to reorganize that area. And then I also want to repot my snake plant that's in the office. And our dining room table did come in, so I'm going to show you guys us putting that together, and then I'm going to decorate it as well. We're also going to decorate my front door. We're going to clean it up. And then we're also going to put a reef up. So we have lots to do in that next video. I just thought it would be neat to take you guys along with me in regards to small house projects that I like to do. And like I said, we live in an apartment, so a lot of times that I can't do like the DIY projects that I used to do when we had our house, but I try to still make it fun and, you know, sort of change up things, and especially with the seasons, but also now that we're in a bigger space, trying to add new furniture and just change up the style just a little bit. So I'm excited to take you guys along. So make sure you're subscribed. Like if you need any type of cleaning, organizing, decluttering, laundry motivation, you know, all of those things, if you need that to inspire you right now, you will definitely love it here. And I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube community here.
Still missing you.
just find you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something.
So to deep clean my sinks today, I'm going to use my Dawn Power Wash spray, and then to clean off my countertops, I'm going to use my Mrs. Meyer all-purpose spray. So just using the same cleaners that I always use to tackle the kitchen today.
You had to let me go. Yellow, yellow, it hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better, making me lose my mind. Cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow.
I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the kitchen cabinets today. I just felt like they needed sort of a wipe down. So what I always use, I just use like a wet microfiber cloth, and then I also go over it with a paper towel just to make sure it's completely dry. And sometimes the paper towels will get like the rest of the dust off. So like I said, I just use like a microfiber cloth, just make sure it's a little damp, and then I'll also go over it with a paper towel sometimes.
And I do you like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches, we tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches, we tried too many times. No one knew you like I do. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies.
I know the next morning when the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me.
So we've already tackled like the living room area as far as sweeping, but I wanted to go ahead and do the rest of the space. So we're going to sweep all of the hardwood floors, and then we're going to go ahead and mop with my old cedar mop. So definitely giving the floors like a deep clean today. If normally I'll just use like my wet vac, but anytime I want to deep clean the area or like the floors, I always grab my old cedar mop. This is like my third time using the mop, and I love it so much. But today I'm going to use a pod, so like a laundry pod to put in my water. I watched a YouTuber maybe like a week ago where she was putting like a laundry pod in her mop water, and it made the house smell so good. So yeah, I really loved it. And the first thing Lee said when she came home was like it smelled like fresh linen, of course, like all around the house. So definitely try it out. It worked really good.
You're lying next to me with heavy eyes, while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and time is running out for me. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, know, the next morning when the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes, while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done.
So for those of you that are thinking that I'm cleaning a clean house, I'm going to show you this water in about 2 seconds. Like, oh my gosh, you wouldn't even think that I clean so often. But I just thought that was pretty satisfying to see, especially with using that old cedar mop. For some reason, I feel like the wet vac does really good, but as far as like a deep clean, that old cedar mop definitely works magic. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to get something done today. As always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
You know nothing at all about what's going